What's going on, everybody? Getting the dump trailer hooked up. Got a big landscaping job today. Make sure you guys are following us along. What's going on, everybody? At the landscape cleanup job, like I said today. Got quite a bit to do. We're gonna take all this stuff out. Of course, the oriental grass right there. Go ahead and take that out, trim everything up, clean everything up real nice. Let me see if I can't get a turnaround view. It's not gonna let me. Anyways, clean some of that stuff up. Gotta trim these bushes, get all that trimmed up, clean up around the edges. Don't hurt the flowers. It's spring here in Ohio, so the flowers are starting to come up. We're gonna go ahead and edge this right here and clean all this up in here, mulch it. Edge, clean all that stuff up. That bush right there we're going to trim down to about 5 foot. Keep coming. Let's see what the guys are doing over here. We're starting to get some of the grassy stuff out. So stay tuned. I'll show you guys an update here in a second. What's going on, guys? Local steel dealer. Gotta come get some string. Just getting out here to Wonderful Lowe's. Trying to find some organic preen. Wish me luck, guys. Look what I found. Oh. What's up, guys? I just want to speak a little bit about customer service. I just drove, no joke, 35-40 minutes away to pick up organic preen because that's what the customer wanted. Now, the place I would normally get it doesn't carry it anymore. They didn't sell very much of it. But let me ask you guys, what would you do in a situation like that? Is the customer service, is that something that you guys do? Make sure the customer's happy, make sure they're satisfied? Or would you have went ahead and put down some regular preen and been like, oh, it was organic? Let me know in the comments below. Like I said, I just traveled pretty far because I want to make each and every one of my customers happy. But I want to know how you guys feel. What's up, guys? Loading up the mulch now. You guys ever seen an awesome female bobcat driver? This is crazy. Time to get to work, boys. What's going on, everybody? Just getting back to the job site. See, they got it edged, everything trimmed. Look how pretty that looks. That looks so much better, guys. So we got all the bushes trimmed and ready to go. We're gonna start throwing some mulch down in this side. Got this side about done. Sun's starting to set. See what's going on here. Got those bushes trimmed, everything mulched in right there. Got all the rose bushes trimmed down. That's a good shot right there. Come around. What's up? Day 2. Got to get some more mulch. About to go bust the rest of this job out. Hopefully my guy comes with the drone so we can get some up top photos. There goes the female Bobcat driver. That's so awesome to me. All right, guys, stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? Man, I'm really impressed with this side of the mulch bed, guys. I am super impressed. Look at that. So let's go see what D'Angelo's doing, the other owner of Oasis Lawn Care. We're in here getting this stuff ready. We're still gonna go through and trim these bushes. I had my new guy trim the bushes, so I gotta kinda go over his work until he, but we got most of the weeds out of here. Good. We'll start putting mulch down in here in about, I don't know, 20-30 minutes, guys. Got all the Oriental grass that was in here cooking out. Wow, it looks really good, guys. Got Christopher on the crew, looking good. Corey, got him on the crew. Spencer on the blower. Hey, we still gotta come through here and get all this right here.
I gotta go up underneath up and get
Yeah, we gotta actually get our hands down in here and pull those out. Not too rough, but you got her. That's looking real good through there. Look at how good that looks, guys. What's going on, guys? Man, this mulch job turned out beautiful. We busted out 30 yards of mulch in 2 days. Look at that. There was a jungle in there. Comments below what you guys think. I think it looks great. We had a little bit of mulch left over, so we went ahead and did a couple of the trees out in the field, but we got this side all the way done. Like I said, this is an amazing mulch job today. 30 yards of mulch. So we had a little bit of extra mulch left over, and just to make the customer happy, we went ahead and did the trees real quick.